Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Maria Felampria. I am 34 years old from Philippines. I am married, blessed with the two kids, boys ages 12 years old and 9 years old. I am a high school graduate. I am Roman Catholic. I have three brothers and five sisters. I am the youngest in our family. I have work experience almost 3 years, year 2020 to 2023. I serve three members of the family, one couple and 1-year-old boy baby. I do a household work like cleaning the houses, washing clothing, ironing, marketing, and taking care of 1-year-old baby. I am hardworking, dedicated, and willing to learn the task given me. Ma'am, sir, if you hired me, I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless. I hope to see you soon.